Let's solve the equation f of x, which is the piecewise function, is equal to 5. All right, so this is a little tricky because we have two different representations, and since we don't know what x is, we won't be able to figure out the correct value of x until we've solved both cases, okay? Let me try to reword that. We have to solve both cases. X squared minus 1 equals 5, and 3x plus 5 equals 5. We have to solve both of these because we'll get x values for answers, possible answers. Only x values that fit these, okay, will be acceptable, okay? So x squared minus 1 is only when x is less than or equal to 3. So any answers I get by working this one out have to be less than 3 or equal to 3 to be included, okay? And for this one on the right, x is greater than 3. So any solution I get here has to be greater than 3 to actually be a solution. All right, so let's solve these. I'm going to add 1 to both sides here. X squared equals 6. And then I'm going to use the square root property, which says that x is equal to positive or negative the square root of 6. Okay, so that's usually how I'd write my answer, as a positive or negative square root of 6. However, I need to know what the square root of 6 is so I can just determine whether or not it fits this x is less than or equal to 3. Okay, and what this comes out to be about, I'm going to say approximately equal to negative 2.45 and approximately equal to positive 2.45. Okay, I rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay, now let's check each of these. Negative 2.45, is that less than 3? Yes, it's less than 3, so that is an answer. Okay, what about 2.54? Is 2.54 less than 3? Yeah, it sure is. So 2.54 is an answer as well. Okay, is a solution. Okay, so we have 2 so far. Let's try out on the right side here. Let's subtract 5 from both sides. 5 minus 5 is 0. Divide both sides by 3. 0 divided by 3 is 0. Okay, so I get 0 for my potential solution. Is 0 greater than 3? No, it is not greater than 3, so this is not a solution. Okay, so I only have 2, negative 2.45 and positive 2.45, or positive or negative square root of 6.